Hello, my name is Pablo Radnik. I am a student from St. Andrews Scott School, and through this screencast, I am going to quickly describe my web page, which was which was made for my client, Mrs. Paula Ograt, which is also my chemistry teacher. The site itself uh, had to be used had to be made for young IGCSE chemistry students to be able to study at their own home. Firstly, as you can see, I created this site using Dreamweaver. The site itself is organized using tables. Over here we can see the photoshopped images that I used as banners and logos. This is the background picture, which is this banner followed by the black background. Then we can see this logo that I made myself, which has the same text font as the rest of the page. These are other logos, which, as we can see in the bottom left, link to the respective sites. This is the St. Andrews one, and here are other sites' logos, which all have the same subject, which is in this case stoichiometry. Here's another image which I simply uploaded from Google, and over here we have an embedded video which I embedded in the site using HTML from the same Dreamweaver. Well, there's some short text to describe the site. Following this, we can go to a theory page. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't describe my menu. This is the menu, which is the same in the whole site. It was made using Adobe Fireworks. As you can see, Fireworks has the added benefit of having the rollover function. This allows the user to see what they're clicking. As you can see, while I move my mouse around the menu, the different subjects I'm clicking on are highlighted by the red line. Following on the theory page, we can see again another photoshopped image, a lot of text which I wrote myself also. It all has the same text font, which is not a default font from Dreamweaver but was uploaded by myself. Over here we have a flash animation. This was suggested by my client to be made. It allows the student to catch a grasp of the scale of stoichiometry. As you can see, as the image gets smaller and smaller, we can see the change in the scale. Well, and this goes on with a lot of text. It's a very simple page. The next is the exercise page, which again involves a lot of text and not as much embedding or images. But I used these red lines are actually photoshopped images which I made to organize the text properly. Next we can go to the past papers site, which, as my client asked, she wanted me to link to different IGCSE past papers for the users to be able to use. So what I did was download the PDFs of various IGCSE exams, which of course are online, and upload them to my Google Drive. Then I allowed the Google Drive to be seen by anyone on the internet, and now simply, as you can see here, the links work properly and can be seen by this computer, which is not actually it's not actually logged on to Google Drive itself. Well, as you can see, the links work. Going on to the last and final page, we can see the contact page. Over here are different buttons which were also made using Photoshop. Here are the three main operators of the site, which are myself, my chemistry teacher, and the ITGS department. Over here we can see that the different buttons link to the different social media of the people, of the operators. This gives a very easy way to be able to message the person itself. As you can see, all of the links work. Finally, the mail to function is what I used when allowing people to access by mail. As you can see, when I click here, Outlook will open. It is not actually installed in this operating system, but if it were installed, a new message would appear with the different mails already set as an address. This is an easy way for the user to contact the operator. Well, and this is it for my page. As you can see, all of the links work properly. And well, that's it. Thanks.